Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you guys today how to make t-shirt designs like this using Canva. It's very easy, you can all do this. So let's start the video. First we need to go to text and then choose any font style you like. So I'm taking this one, and now we need to go to effects and then choose shadow. Now you can see all the sliders. So use these sliders to adjust the direction, position, transparency, blur, and see all the options there. So use the sliders to control those, and then you can change the color if you want to, or if you don't want, then just leave it as it is. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you another example of the same effects. I'm taking the same font style, doing the same thing. Go to effects, then shadow. Now I will change the direction of the shadow. Will let you guys see how it looks from different direction. So yeah, it looks like this. Now move on to our next design. Now again do the same thing. Go to effects and then choose none, and now change the color. Now place it in the middle and then copy the same font. Place it like this, and then go to transparency and lower the transparency. Do exactly what I'm doing. How it looks. Now move on to the next design. So let's change the color first, and now go to effects and choose among the options. There are a lot of effects, so choose the one you like. Use the sliders to adjust position and direction, and that's basically it. That's how you can do it. Let's move on to another design. Yeah, this looks good. Now it's very simple. What you have to do is just press on the copy option. Yeah, that's it, and it will look like this. So yeah, let's take this one. Looks good. Now change the direction a little bit, and then again do the same thing. Copy. It's quite simple. Do the same thing again, just copy. So this is how you can make all the t-shirt designs in a few minutes.